Looking for the best 3D printer in 2025? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, choosing the right printer can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 3D printers that offer the perfect mix of quality, reliability, and innovation. Let's dive in. Item number 5. The Flashforge 3D printer offers impressive features like a maximum printing speed of 300 mm per second and auto leveling for ease of use. With a precision of 0.2 mm, it supports a variety of filaments including PLA, PETG, and TPU. The printer is compatible with multiple operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux, and offers a maximum print size of 220 by 220 mm. With a nozzle diameter ranging from 0.25 mm to 0.8 mm, it's perfect for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. Item number 4. The ANYCUBIC Ace Pro offers cutting-edge multicolor printing with support for up to 8 vibrant colors. Featuring a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and a print size of 250 by 260 mm, it ensures fast, seamless, and smooth prints. With auto leveling, RFID sync, and nozzle clog detection, the Ace Pro minimizes filament tangling and maximizes efficiency. Its filament backup system ensures uninterrupted printing by automatically switching to the next spool, making it perfect for creative and professional projects. Item number 3. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max is a powerhouse 3D printer with a large build volume of 500 by 420 by 420 mm, allowing for prints up to 88 liters. It boasts a 10x faster printing speed with a maximum speed of 500 mm per second, cutting print time drastically. Equipped with LeviQ 2.0 auto leveling and a dual motor Z-axis, it ensures smooth and accurate prints. The printer also supports smart app control for remote management, making it perfect for large-scale and high-speed 3D printing projects. Item number 2. Introducing the ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo, a cutting-edge FDM 3D printer designed for vibrant, multicolor printing. With 4-color support, you can print in up to 8 stunning colors effortlessly. Enjoy 600 mm per second max speed, auto leveling, and RFID sync for precise filament management. The Color Engine Pro ensures seamless filament transitions, while nozzle clog detection prevents errors. Featuring a tiltable touchscreen and a unified module system, this printer is built for efficiency and ease. Unleash your creativity today. Item number 1. Introducing the QIDI K1C 3D printer. Featuring high-speed FDM printing up to 600 mm per second with 2000 mm per second acceleration. Equipped with an AI camera for real-time monitoring, time-lapse filming, and alerts, it ensures precision and quality. The all-metal hot end supports a wide range of filaments, including carbon fiber and flexible materials. Enjoy auto-calibration, advanced cooling, and a built-in air purifier for a cleaner workspace. With easy setup, it's perfect for creators of all levels. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.